I've always been passionate about fashion, and now I've taken it to the next level by starting my own clothing business, with a twist. That's right, I've incorporated AI technology into every aspect of my brand, from design to production. And in today's video, I'll take you through each step of the process so you can embark on your own journey to success. But before we get started, like and subscribe if you are going to be the first millionaire in your family. Step 1. Finding winning designs with AI. To kickstart your clothing business with AI, you must begin by identifying winning designs that have the potential to boost sales. The key is to make smart decisions based on facts and figures, instead of just guessing what designs might sell well. This helps you avoid wasting your time and money on things that might not work out. While there are multiple tools available, I recommend using Merch Informer. One of its features that I absolutely love is the movers and shakers. By using this feature, you can spot products with decreasing bestseller ranks, BSR. Remember, a lower BSR indicates a higher sales potential. But here's a pro tip. Steer clear of designs linked to big-shot companies like Disney. We want to build a business, not get caught up in legal troubles. The Trend Tracker is another powerful tool in Merch Informer that allows you to stay on top of real-time design trends. This feature aids in identifying what's currently popular in the market, giving you insights into what customers are interested in. When selecting designs, it's essential to align them with your niche and understand your target audience's preferences. It's not just about selling clothes, it's about creating a brand that connects with people. Step 2. Analyzing the products. Alright, so now that I've got my designs, it's time to dive into Step 2. Analyzing the products. This is a vital step to make sure my ideas are worth pursuing for my clothing business. Here's a simple guide on how to go about it. Firstly, I need to check if I can use specific phrases in my designs without getting into any legal trouble. It's like making sure the name I want for my business isn't already taken. Lucky for me, Merch Informer has this awesome tool called Trademark Alerts that can help me out. It will make sure the phrases I want to use aren't restricted by trademarks. Let's say I've got this cool product idea for hockey fans. Before I get too excited, I need to make sure I can use the main phrase in my design. So I copy the words and paste them into the Trademark Alerts tool. After hitting Check Trademarks, I'll get a green check mark if everything's good to go. Now that I've cleared the legal hurdles, it's time to check out the competition using the Competition Checker tool. This nifty feature allows me to input keywords and see how many products share similar designs and their respective bestseller rank, BSR. It also provides a rating from A to F, with A being the highest score, followed by B, C, and so on. If a design receives an F rating, it's advisable to avoid it and seek alternatives. Now I'll look for designs with lower competition and good bestseller rank, BSR scores. That way, I know there's demand for them, and with less competition, I've got a better chance of standing out in the market. When looking at your competition, aim for designs with higher estimated sales. But remember, no copying allowed. Use these successful designs as inspiration, not a blueprint. This way, you're creating something unique that fits your style and brand, while aiming for the kind of success you've seen in similar designs. Step 3. Creating the design. Next comes the creative part, generating designs using AI-powered tools like Midjourney. I start by figuring out what I want in my designs. What's the vibe I'm going for? Colors, phrases, patterns. Those are my design elements. So I begin brainstorming keywords that describe what I have in mind. For instance, since my product is related to clothing, I input keywords such as wardrobe, apparel, and fashion to guide the AI in the right direction. Now it's time to head over to Midjourney. This AI-powered platform is your creative playground, equipped with a text-to-image generator that brings your ideas to life. I open it up and type in a prompt, telling the AI exactly what I'm looking for. Using those keywords I just thought up, I try out different combinations of keywords to see what the AI comes up with. I'm exploring all the possibilities and tweaking things until it matches exactly what I had in mind. And there it is. A design that totally catches my eye. I save it for later so I can make a few adjustments. Maybe I'll play around with the colors, shift the layout a bit, or add some personal touches to make it uniquely mine. It's like giving my design that extra special something that makes it stand out. Step 4. Enhancing design quality. Alright, so now it's time to step up the game and make my designs look even more professional and eye-catching. Here's the secret sauce: an AI image upscaler. It's like this magic tool that can increase the size of a generated design by up to 800% without compromising its quality. I click on the Upscale Image button and then select the image I want to enhance. The tool gives me 3 options: 2x, 4x, and 8x. Different items may require different levels of detail. For my t-shirt design, I'm going with the second option, 4x, because I want those graphics to be crisp when they get printed on fabric. Now let's wait for the tool to do its thing. Once it's done, I compare the enhanced image, zooming in to compare it with the original. And bam! The difference is massive. The details are way more pronounced and the colors are vibrant. It's like a little digital makeover for my design. To save my enhanced masterpiece, I am going to hit the download button. Now, I've got a high-quality, upscaled image ready to rock my t-shirt design. Step 5. Finalizing the design. So now the only step left is adding the final touches to the design and making it ready to print. First up, I'm getting rid of the background. I want my design to stand out on its own, and removing the background gives it that clean, polished look. For this, I'm going to use the background remover tool. With a crisp, transparent background, all the focus will be on the main elements of my design. Next, I'm adding in my design phrase. It's important to choose words that not only complement the visuals, but also resonate with my target audience. Whether it's a catchy slogan, a motivational message, or a witty phrase, I make sure it blends seamlessly with the design. As I put these finishing touches on my design, I'm keeping my audience in mind. I want to create something unique and eye-catching that will grab their attention and leave a lasting impression. With the background removed and the phrase added, my design is ready to go out into the world. Step 6. Selling the products. Wondering how to effectively sell your finished products without breaking the bank? Well, if you're like me, starting with a small budget, print on demand is the ultimate game changer. This business model takes the hassle out of printing and shipping, as third-party companies handle that part. While they take a percentage of your order, it's an excellent way to start without major upfront costs. Here's how I'm making it work for me. I've teamed up with print-on-demand platforms that handle everything from production to shipping. It's a hands-free operation for me, which means less stress and more time for creativity. I upload my designs and choose the types of products I want them on, like t-shirts, hoodies, caps, etc. Then I provide some details about each product, hit the publish button, and voila! My products are ready to go. And the best part, you ride the organic traffic wave with millions visiting these sites monthly. People are always on the lookout for cool, unique stuff, and print-on-demand sites draw them in. It's like tapping into a built-in audience that's already interested in what I've got to offer. Now, here come the bonus tips to take things up a notch. I'm all about diversification. I use the same design on various products. A cool design deserves to be flaunted on more than just a t-shirt. Hoodies, stickers, socks, caps, you name it. Plus, creating variations of my design expands my product catalog, offering more choices to my potential customers. But wait, there's a little secret. I don't limit myself to just one print-on-demand site. I list my designs across multiple platforms, maximizing my chances of making sales. It's like casting a wider net. The more places my designs are, the more likely they'll catch someone's eye. To amp it up even more, I take my designs to social media. Platforms like Pinterest and TikTok are gold mines for reaching a broader audience. I showcase my products, tell the story behind each design, and watch the likes, shares, and orders roll in. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope this step-by-step tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more such videos. Remember, building a business takes dedication, creativity, and perseverance. With the power of AI at your fingertips, the possibilities for your clothing business are endless. If you want to make $10,000 per month, then this unknown AI business lets you break out of the matrix. Don't miss out.